Automatic transmission has advantages over a manual gearbox in terms of safety and ease of use. Automatic gear changes at the most appropriate speed, without a break in torque transmission, making driving easier. The vehicle pulls away smoothly in all traffic conditions. Automatic transmission requires fewer movements, making driving more restful and allowing the driver to be more vigilant. In addition, safety systems prevent the gear lever being operated incorrectly when starting and while driving. Automatic transmission designs are becoming lighter and more compact and no longer require maintenance. With automatic transmission, the driver has the following control systems: a key or card that is used to switch on the system's electrical components, a lever for selecting the gear ratio and driving mode, an accelerator pedal, the position of which enables the computer to determine the driver's driving style and control gear changes, a brake pedal which sends the stop signal to the computer to manage various functions such as unlocking the gear lever, and a display of warning lights on the instrument panel or on the center console to inform the driver which gear is engaged and which mode is selected. The lever is used to select various functions via a cable. The park function locks the gearbox mechanically. The reverse function engages reverse gear. In the neutral position, no torque is transmitted at normal idle speed. The engine does not drive the gearbox. Drive is the position for the gearbox to operate in automatic mode. The sequential shift controls are used in manual mode operation. They are used to select a higher or lower gear ratio provided the engine can accept it. It may be possible to obtain rapid engine braking by engaging a lower gear. Some automatic transmission functions make driving easier in certain driving conditions. The traction control function reduces wheel spin. The D3 automatic mode on some vehicles prevents gears higher than third being selected. In addition, automatic transmission has a special feature. When the engine is turning slowly, it can drive the vehicle forward when the brake pedal is released. This phenomenon is known as creeping. It allows certain maneuvers to be carried out with the engine idling. The gear lever moves an electric switch, which tells the computer the position of the lever. This is the multifunction switch. Depending on the position of the lever, the computer may accept or reject the driver's request. For example, the computer cannot authorize starting unless it receives the park or neutral position signal. Similarly, on some models it may be impossible to remove the key if the lever is not in park position. In manual mode, the computer may ignore the driver's use of the upshift-downshift controls to prevent the engine speed being too low or too high. Automatic mechanical safety devices require the driver to carry out certain actions to unlock the lever. The shift lock function automatically locks the lever in the park position. This safety system requires the ignition to be switched on and the brake pedal to be depressed before the lever can be moved. In addition, a mechanical safety catch on the lever prevents incorrect selection of any position. The button on the gear lever unlocks this safety device. Displays on the instrument panel and the center console inform the driver about system statuses. Warning lights on the instrument panel and the center console indicate which gear is engaged and which driving mode is selected. The pedal symbol illuminates when the driver needs to press the brake pedal, for example to unlock the lever. The lever symbol illuminates when the driver needs to put the lever in the park or neutral position, for example to start the engine. Various symbols inform the driver if there is a fault in the system.